Welcome to Tally Help videos. The 56th GST Council meeting held on 3rd September 2025 has proposed bringing a large majority of goods and services under two broad categories of 5% and 18%, except some luxury and demerit goods. The goal is to make GST simpler, reduce confusion, and ease compliance. However, implementing this rate change across a spectrum of products and services in a short period of time can be challenging for businesses. With Tally Prime, you can now quickly update GST rates for your stock groups, items, or ledgers either one by one or in bulk with the help of the GST rate setup. You can even specify an effective date to ensure the rates are implemented starting from a particular date. Let us look at the steps to change GST rate for accounting ledgers like tax, sales, or purchase ledgers. Press Alt-G, type or select GST rate setup, and press Enter. Select ledgers from the list of masters and press Enter. You will see all the ledgers where GST rate is set or inferred from another master. If you want to know where the GST rate is specified for the ledger, press F12 and set the option Show Source of GST Details to Yes. As you can see, the GST details are defined in the ledger master. This means tax details are set up in the same ledger master. Select a ledger you want to update. Press Alt-S or click Update GST Details. Under Update GST Details for, you will see the complete GST details of this ledger. The option Specify Details here is selected in the GST Rate Details field. This implies that the GST rate for this ledger is defined here and not derived from any other source like a group or company master. Update the tax rate in the GST rate field and press Enter. Select New Effective Date and specify the date from which this new rate comes into effect. Save the changes. As you can see, the GST rate has changed for the ledger, and the new rate will be applied in all transactions recorded with this ledger, starting from set effective date. Let us now see the steps to update the rate for an individual stock item. Go to GST Rate Setup, select Stock Items, and press Enter. Place the cursor on the stock item you want to update the rate for and press Alt-S. Under GST rate and related details, enter the GST rate. Select New Effective Date and specify the applicable date for the change of rate. Save the changes. As you can see, the GST rate is updated. Similarly, you can update the rate for other items. You can also update the GST details at the stock group level to change the tax rate of all stock items under that group. This way you can update multiple stock items instantly. Open the GST rate setup for stock groups. You can see the tax rate of each group in the GST rate column. To update the stock details of a group, place the cursor on the group and press Alt-S or click Update GST Details. Update the rate in the GST rate field and press Enter. Select New Effective Date and specify the date from which the new rate comes into effect. Save the changes. As you can see, the GST rate has changed for the stock group, and all the stock items in the group have inherited the change in the GST rate. Now, if you have created a GST classification master and used it to implement GST details across your ledgers or items, you can update the tax rate for the classification from GST Rate Setup. Navigate to the stock item where the source of GST rate is the GST classification. press Alt-H or click Update Source Details to update the GST details at the source, that is, the GST classification. Under the Update the GST details of source, for the classification, change the GST rate, specify effective date, and save the changes. You can see that the GST rate has been updated in the classification, and all the stock items using tax details from the GST classification have moved to the new tax rate category. Also, if you have only one rate for all the goods or services handled by your business, you can specify or alter the GST rate in the Company Features screen and use the Company Master as the source of GST details in all masters. As you can see, TallyPrime allows you to quickly update GST rate details for multiple items, groups, individual items or ledgers at any point of time. You can also set an effective date to ensure timely application of the new tax rates. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.